Education is changing and evolving with the onset of new technologies, namely personal learning environments. Firstly, what are personal learning environments? Personal learning environments are tools used as an alternative to older forms of teaching, such as books. They are used by educators and students, having been designed to improve learning. They can be used as a form of communication between student and teacher, allowing teachers to help with problems and set work for students to do. Students can use them for online submission of work and as a pool of shared resources, for example lecture notes. There are also options of peer-to-peer review and facilities for allowing students to ask each other's questions. PLEs bring the emphasis onto the learner, allowing you to choose methods of learning that best suit you. Examples of some PLEs that you may have heard of or even used are Blackboard and Moodle. With these specific software packages, students and teachers have login details, with students being able to upload resources and set work to be completed, and students being able to access resources, submit work, ask questions, and more. PLEs are, however, not without fault. They often require a lot of time and money to be set up. In some cases, institutions need to pay for the service and the software, making it easier for them, but costing more money. Even when using open source alternatives, they need to buy servers to host the software, and they need to pay the staff to set it up and maintain it. PLEs can also have technical issues, meaning that it may not be possible to access at times. There is a possibility that this could happen at an important time, such as the deadline of a coursework submission, losing you marks, but then again, this is only an issue for people who submit last minute. Another problem could be that poor students possibly could not have access to a computer at home and would be unable to use it out of school or college. Some remote places may also not have reliable internet connections, meaning that they would be unable to access it at all times. Personal learning environments and learning management systems have been disruptive to the way that teaching and learning is done. Maybe in the future there will be less emphasis on sitting in rows in a classroom reading from a board, and more emphasis on spending time learning using PLEs and LMSs.